Are you looking for a free open source alternative to Zendesk or Freshdesk? Discover UVDesk, a powerful open source help desk and ticketing system built on Symfony and PHP. Manage all your customer support from one place with email piping, automated workflows, a knowledge base, and a self-service portal for your customers. It also integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Magento, and WooCommerce. To start using UVDesk, you can use the cloud version starting at $22 per month for 2 agents, or you can self-deploy it for free by following their installation guide, or use a platform like ours, Elestio, to deploy it seamlessly on your server or the cloud provider of your choice. We handle the installation, backups, updates, and ongoing maintenance for you. To start using UVDesk on our platform, head to ls.io and click on Login. Then deploy my first service, search for UVDesk and select. Choose between the different cloud providers, regions, and service plans based on your needs. Then next. On the final screen, you can adjust more advanced settings and select between the different level of support we provide. The first one is free and included by default. Once you're all set, hit the Create Service button. Once the installation is finished, you will receive this email telling you that your new instance is ready. Let's follow the Get Password link. You arrive on Elestio administration dashboard for your UVDesk instance. Your credentials are here. Copy to your clipboard and follow the admin UI link. Type your credentials and sign in. We arrive on the dashboard of UVDesk. While their UI isn't the best aesthetic ever, it's pretty well organized in different sections: knowledge base, users, productivity, reports, and settings. Let's dive in a few features. We have the knowledge base. Let's go into articles. Let's create one for the knowledge base of our self-service customer portal. Let's say article 1. Hello, this is my article 1. You have a simple what you see, what you get editor to format the content. You can make things bold, add images, add links. Let's save it. But I need to adjust the SEO. And let's set the slug, which is the URL of the knowledge base page. And you also have other SEO parameters you can fill, but I will skip it. Let's click on preview and it opens a model of the content of our page. But this page, it is accessible on the portal. Before previewing it, let's add some categories to our knowledge base. To organize the content of your knowledge base, you can create categories, new category, marketing articles. You can add folders to them, handle the sorting, and if it's published or not. Let's publish it. Oh, I need to feed everything. Here it is, save changes. And we have our category. We can add articles to it maybe. For that, I go into articles. This one, I will assign the new category we created. Now we can publish the article. And if I press view, we arrive on UVDesk Help Center portal. So you have all the knowledge base that is available here. Of course, I only added one article, but if you fill it nicely, it can be very helpful for your users. And if you go to Support Center, your users can ask for help from here. So let's say you are a user and you need help. You go to Contact Us and you have the Create Ticket form. Let's say, help me. You type your email. What kind of help you need. Of course, you can adjust the settings of your instance to have more types. It doesn't work. I need help. The classical. It doesn't work. Your users can add attachments and create ticket. Now, if we go back to our dashboard, we click on tickets on the left. We arrive on the listing of the tickets. You have different filters here, different sorting. Check the one that are assigned to you. Everything to make your team life simple. Let's open this ticket, as currently there's only me to trade it, to take care of it. You see the user message here. On the left, you can assign it to an agent. Currently, there is only me, the admin. We'll see later how to create other agents. You can define a priority, close it, mark it as resolved or spam. assign it to a group or a team so the right person will have the ticket assigned. You can reply directly to the user here, or you can add some notes that only your team will know if you need to track some things about this conversation or this user. But you need team members to help you address all those tickets. So let's get back to home, and in users, what you need is to create agents. You simply go there, new agent, and enter the details of the support team or anyone that will use the platform. And we didn't create yet, but you can assign them to some groups or to some teams, giving you fine-grained control about who see what. To be more efficient for answering a maximum number of tickets, on the home section, you have the productivity part. From there, you can prepare the responses or save the replies, allowing your team to answer faster for questions that comes frequently. We had our ticket created from the help center. It is a way to get tickets into UVDesk, but this is the most classical way and less integrated. If you go to home, you have the apps. Some apps are free and some apps are paid ones, but there are integration for the most famous shop CMS, such as Shopify, PrestaShop, Magento, and outside integrations, there are other features that can help you with OneDrive, Google Drive, a few additional plugins to make your life easier. Outside platform integrations, you can also connect a mailbox. By integrating a mailbox with your instance, you can create tickets automatically from received emails. Check out their documentation to learn how to set up your mailbox correctly, but also for discovering features that I didn't cover in this video that could be useful for you. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed discovering UVDesk with us. Please hit the like button to help our channel be more visible to other open source lovers. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss our next platform overviews. If you want to continue your open source journey, watch this video, available here.